Hey guys, welcome back to the Trench Reaper channel. Today I have a unboxing video, so I haven't uploaded since like the summer because haven't really updated my uniform, but this here will I'll make a uniform overview after I get all the items out of this box. But yeah, I've been waiting for this to show up in my house for a few days, 6 days, I'm pretty sure. Got a few important items for the my German uniform. But yeah, show you what those are once I open it up. So get that all set up. Okay, that side. There we go. Middle. Okay. Remove that paper because that spoils everything. So first thing you probably see, pretty cool. Right, for this. Okay, here it is. I'll go into this later, but Feldspaten. Okay. Some paper. Let's start with the small stuff. Here, I already had a bread bag strap, but I wanted another for another item I'm getting in here. There you can see some iron cross stuff and bayonet scabbard. New belt, because my other one was, well, one was crappy and low quality. This one, I like the Hessen ones. Nice rough out leather texture to them, so I just picked me up one of these. You already know, gotta get a flag, because I could hang it up on my wall. Shovel carrier, you know, so I could actually carry the shovel. Now for one of the items that got me pretty excited for this order. So that's a gas mask filter, so you could assume already what's in there. And these right here are, if you've ever ordered from Hessen Antique, you probably know what those are. So I'll just open everything up and then I'll get to these. Okay, so first small bag, want to just get a better bayonet scabbard. My last one was pretty low quality. Hopefully this one actually fits on the belt fairly securely. Looks pretty good. Nice undyed leather, maker mark. Next item is bread bag strap. Just got one of these for the gas mask. And then in here, got iron cross ribbon and the iron cross. Alright, so this is the iron cross. Just kind of came wrapped up in those materials. That's the ribbon for the second class I'll have to put on my uniform, but this one's first class. Got a pin back. If you've ever seen one, just kind of slide it out like a normal safety pin. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So here's the belt. It's pretty wound up still because it's fresh out the box. I'll have to straighten it out. Basically, if you don't know how the German belts work, is put a belt buckle, you know, for arranging, you know, your waist and stuff. Got all these different holes, and then on the belt buckle got these prongs, which you put on the belt. So yeah, the belt buckle just slides on, put it through the holes, that secures it for your waist and stuff. So yeah, and then this end just clips on to the belt buckle. Okay, so the next item, big item, this is a feldspot, and of course a little bit of oil on it. That doesn't really matter. This is the World War II model, but you know, there's a little bit of a difference between the World War II and the World War I models, specifically how it's mounted, but you know, for me right now that doesn't really matter. The wood, however, is unfinished, so you know, I might have to put something on it so it doesn't get all moldy and bad, but other than that, it's pretty good. Big darkened steel head to it. Wood is fairly light, not too cheap or anything, so pretty good for this. So this here shovel carrier, made of leather. It's a lot like the inside of the belt style of leather, and then the rough part is on the inside, so it's smooth on the outside, rough on the inside. Pretty good quality, it seems. Down here is where you actually strap on your bayonet, you know, keep everything secure. I'll show you how that looks on your with a feldspot. This just wraps around. Usually you'd have your bayonet going through. That holds everything tight so it doesn't clang on that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So this is my second to first most hyped item. Comes in a bag. Came with a spare filter too, so you already know what it is basically. Open this up. So this here, if you guys don't know, is the Gummi Mask 15. So this was the German early war gas mask. That's why 15's in the title. Now this set that I ordered did come with spare filter, which the bag has pocket for your mask and the pocket for the spare filter. That's why I ordered the red bag strap to attach it to these D-rings right here to wear the bag. Yeah. Mask just has placed on your filter, held on by this twill tape looking stuff. Has fairly stronger than my Model 17 lenses. So that's a hard plastic metal ring made of canvas. The straps are like the Model 17, sort of. This part isn't sewn down so it can move around. On the inside, just got that part where the filter attaches, and then you got your sort of like a lanyard, put it around your neck, so you're always ready, you know, when you're a stormtrooper. Forget the bag, forget the can, just wear this around your neck. So that's pretty cool. Now I could do like a early war impression. So yeah, on to the final item. So this is the final item. It's pretty cool. Let me just, okay, you could already see one of them. Got me some Jackboots. Now, these are a fairly dark leather, you know, not as light as they're pictured on the website. So when you're ordering these, they are darkened. You could dye them if you want, you know, all that. So this is rough out leather, kind of like your Vans shoelaces style, you know. Got more of a suede leather tongue in them. This is some more leather here. Going up the back, these soles, these are all leather, got metal hobnails in them. These ones are nice, new and clean. Metal heel plate. Pretty sure it's just leather. Kind of looks like layered wood, but pretty sure that's leather. So yeah, those are pretty cool. So I just noticed on the inside, it says right there, you could see, made of cowhide. Down in the boot, you could see that bombs are just, feels kind of like a canvasy material. So yeah, so here I have the boots on. Now these, I wear a size 9. I ordered a size 9. There's still like an inch to grow, so if you're definitely ordering these, order a size up. They're a bit long, but other than that, pretty nice, flexible down the heel. You might not want that, but nice and high too. Could put some putties on. Get pretty tight up here. That doesn't really matter. Just this ear right here doesn't really want to bend because of that stiff leather. So if you're ever like taking a knee or anything, it might be a bit tough. But you know, got the Jackboots. Jack hobnails there. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Now onto the gas mask. So this is me wearing the new gas mask with a Feldmutzen on. It's pretty nice. Has a very warehouse-like smell. This one isn't as tight as the Model 17, so it's pretty foggy in these lenses here, but you know, that doesn't matter too much. Yeah, so got this cord around my neck, you know, Stormtroop style, and then with the bag, you can see that's kind of goes in. Got spare filter in there, just need a lip change. Yeah, and then you just sling that over the side. That's what the bread bag strap is for, but there is belt loops in that. But decent quality mask. The only problem I have with it is, let's see, that fog. So here's the gear that I got, just excluding the bread bag strap, because you could actually mount this gas mask bag to the belt itself. The belt's still curving a bit, but when you're mounting your gear, you know, you're gonna want bayonet frog in between these two loops on your feldspar. So yeah, all in all, this Hessen Antique order, I'd say 10 out of 10. Just gonna have to break in this belt and the boots, but you know, I'd say big thumbs up to them. Very cool gear. Expect a uniform video within at least the next 2 weeks, because I will be on vacation shortly, but next 2 weeks, expect a video with me wearing all this and my ammo pouches, which you haven't seen, just like this. So make sure to like the video, of course, but subscribe for that video. Should be out within 2 weeks. Don't hold me for that, but 2 weeks it'll be out. So this has been the Trench Reaper, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.